Boom, what is everybody? Welcome back. Today is going to be a different video. My light's not working, so you won't get the normal light. So for the next few videos, it's going to be like, this. But yeah, school experiences. We've all had them. From seeing someone get their teeth kicked in, or someone busting their ass halfway down the hill, or butt. For those who actually watch my videos. Yeah. What I want to focus on is school fire alarms. So for those of you who are primary school or high school or college or something, I'm in the latter. In the two, that was not primary school. I can get the beef. But yeah, when the high school or college fire alarm goes off, there's always a handful of people that just go off the nuts, like just yay, let's fucking go. but yeah, those are just people that just go, yay, you fucking alarm, yay. I am one of those people. Yeah, I just want to talk about like school fire alarms. Why are they so goddamn loud? You're basically sitting in class. Picture this, you're sitting in class. All of a sudden you're you really hear that one person that just likes to make noise, just standing in the background going, yes. You hear a bunch of the people who slack off going, yes, the bloody fire alarm, yeah. Doing the things. But yeah, this is the quick little video talking about school fire alarms, right? Just a reminder, it's really quick, really all that. Okay? But yeah, primary school fire alarms are loud as hell. They'll go beep, 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 beep. High school fire alarms beep, 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 beep. College fire alarms, yeah, that type of thing. I do different things with my hands. Let's play in part 2 of Summer Life. I have to work part 1 because someone decided that they weren't good enough to be in the video. My mom. I'm sorry. She's gonna kill me for that. But yeah, it's a quick little video. So if you care, go smash that like button. You guys have been doing incredible with the likes all of a sudden. It's gone down a little bit, but we can get back up. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, turn on my notifications. You'll see when I post. And without any further ado, I will see you in part 2 of Sermon Life, which is coming out either Saturday or Sunday. I'm hanging out with a mate tomorrow, so I won't be able to post till at least around then. So till then, stay awesome.